Hi guys, it's Wednesday, December 9th. I hope you're having a great day. Today in math, we are going to be counting dimes and pennies. So our goal today says I can count at least one combination of dimes and pennies. So if I give you some dimes and some pennies, you were able, hopefully by the end of this, be able to count the dimes and the pennies together. So remember that a penny is worth 1 cent. So penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. We do this every morning in calendar. So this is a penny. On the front of the penny is Abraham Lincoln, and on the back of the penny is the Lincoln Memorial. And remember, a penny is worth 1 cube, a 1 cube. So a 1 cube and a penny are the same thing. So if I look at these, how much money do I have? Remember, a penny is worth 1 cent. So all I'm going to do is count the pennies by ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cents. And this right here is the cent sign. All it is a C with a line through it. So I have 5 cents. So I have 5 pennies. Good job. Let's go to the next one. I want you to pause your computer and I want you to count the pennies and tell how much money we have. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you say 8 cents? If you said 8 cents, say, that's me. Good job. Let's try another one. Pennies are kind of easy because we're only counting by ones. Ooh, this time we have a lot of pennies. Remember, they're worth 1 cent. Can you pause your computer and count the pennies and write how many we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 pennies, or 12 cents. 12 cents. Now, since pennies are so easy, I'm going to challenge your brain. This is a dime. It is worth 10 cents. Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the head side, and an olive branch and a torch and an oak branch are on the tail side. So this is the head of Franklin D. Roosevelt, and this is an olive branch, a torch, and an oak branch are on the back side. And remember, the dime is the smallest coin. So dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. What other thing is worth 10 when we count in math? Over here is a clue. A 10 stick. We have a 10 dime and we have a 1 dime. 1 dime is worth 10, just like the 10 stick. So let's see. When I have dimes, I know I can count by tens because they are worth 10. So I would say 10, 20, 30, 40. How much money did I have? I have 40 cents. 40 cents. Okay, let's see if you guys can do this. Count the dimes and see how much money we get and write that on your whiteboard. Let's see if we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have 60 cents. Did you get 60 cents? If you got 60 cents, say, that's me. All right, let's try more dimes. Pause your computer and count those dimes. And how much money did I have? Remember to count by tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have 100 cents. or 100 cents is $1. Like 100 pennies equals $1, and 10 dimes equals $1, or 100 cents. Now let's challenge your brain even more. I know you guys can do this. What if I counted dimes and pennies? I'm sorry, I put the wrong thing up here. I said nickels. Pennies. Remember, a dime is worth 10 and a penny is worth 1. So let's see, I have 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to use the counting on method and say 31, 32, 33, 34. So I have 34 cents. Another way I could do this is I could count like we did our 10 sticks and our 1 cubes. 1, 2, 3. And there is our 3 right there. And then I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. And put our 4. Remember, the dime has to always go in the tens place, which is the first number. And then the ones place is always the caboose, the last. So we have 34 cents. Let's look at this one. Can we count this one? Oops, I didn't again. I gotta watch Miss Jones sometimes. How many dimes and pennies do I have? Go ahead and pause your computer and write down how much money we have. Well, let's see. If I can do it 2 different ways, friends. I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and say I have 7 and 1, 2, 3. So I have 73 cents. Or I could say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now I'm going to use the counting on method. 71, 72, 73. 73 cents. That's a lot. I want you to go ahead and pause your computer and try this one. Do it whatever way is the easiest for you. Let's see, I have 10, 20, or I have 2 dimes. 2 dimes equals 20 cents. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pennies. So I have 27 cents. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 cents. This time I want you to draw the dimes and pennies on your whiteboard. As you can see, I drew a circle and I put a D in the middle for dimes. And I drew another circle and I put a P in the middle for pennies. So I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimes. So go ahead and draw 7 dimes and put D in the middle so you know it stands for dimes. And then I drew 3 pennies and I put P in the middle for pennies. How much money did I have? Let's see if we got it right. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. 73 cents again. 73 cents. Okay, let's try another one. I drew 3 dimes and 9 pennies. How much money did I have? 3 dimes and 9 pennies. Let's count. I have 10, 20, 30, or 3 dimes. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 pennies. So I have 39 cents. Let's see. This is a math message. Angela says, I have 11 pennies in my pocket. That's 11 cents. Marcus says, I have 11 cents too, but I only have 2 coins. Could Marcus be right? How do you think Marcus is right, and what 2 coins does he have? Remember, 1 penny equals 1 cent and 1 dime equals 10 cents. Think about our 10 sticks and 1 cubes. Draw that on your whiteboard. Yes, Marcus could be right. He could have 1 dime in his pocket. Oops. He could have 1 dime and he could have 1 penny. 10 plus 1 is 11. 10, 11. Remember to use your counting on rule. How do you feel about counting with pennies and dimes? 1, I feel great. This is easy for me. 2, I feel okay, but I may need a little bit more practice. Or 3, I feel nervous. This is hard for me. Today, we were able to count combinations of at least dimes and pennies. So our exit ticket today is counting the dimes and pennies on this worksheet and putting the number in the box. Remember, the torch on the back is a dime, the building on the back is a penny. The little one is a dime, the building on the back is a penny. Remember those. This will be your exit ticket. And I found something really fun I thought you guys would enjoy. So this also is in your calendar. I have something that is addition, and you'll open it, and you're going to add the things together. And when you add these together, you're just going to type in the box. So we have 4 plus 4 is 8. And when you type in the box and then you hit enter, you will notice some dots start to appear. Well, let's keep. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. I'm going to type it in the box and hit enter, and more dots appear. It's going to be a mystery picture. A mystery picture. And by the time you're done with it, you should have a picture of something here. If you didn't get the right answer over here or here, the dots will not appear with the color. So remember to check your work. If you don't get the right answer, your picture is not going to be correct. Please hit share and type in my name with the pink H so I can see if you guys got the correct picture when you're done. I would love to see if you guys got the correct picture. This is something fun, and I thought you would love this. Please let me know in there if you love it. When you click share and you type in my name, I'm going to show you something. Oh, I spelled my name wrong. There I am. This box right here underneath my name where it says message, you can type a message in there that says, I liked doing this. Or you can say yes or no if you like doing that, because I have a bunch of them, but I would like to know first if you liked finding the mystery picture. Hope you guys have a good day, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Bye, guys.